All right, guys, welcome back. It's Luke here with the Option Bomb. Today, I've got a nice trade for you on Micron. But before we jump into the option chains and the charts, this is not financial advice. Okay? This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please trade according to your own risk profile. I'm going to do my best. I got a bit of a cold here, but man, I got a really good setup, and we're going to put this trade on Micron, which has been just on a tear lately. It's pulled back recently, but we still have a lot of good premium. Ooh, and the chart is setting up perfect for me to go over this right now. So I'm going to go out to the daily chart. And I already put this trade on about 30 minutes ago, and I'm already up in the money. So I'm like, I got to record this because it's legit. So if we look at Micron, guys, excuse me, look at the chart. We've gone from $311 back on April 1st, touched 818 on May 11th. And now we've pulled back to, oh geez, freaking 650, back up to 7. So this thing's volatile. So what I'm going to do, guys, I personally think the semiconductors have ran up a little too far, too fast. Okay, so I want to sell some upside premium because I don't think it's going to get up to 950 bucks or whatever. So if I go to Micron, I'm going to go out to June, and this is a couple days before earnings. I went out and checked. Sometimes TastyTrade is wrong. Okay, check on the platform. Thinkorswim's usually pretty right. This thing, earnings on 6/24. I don't want to go over earnings. So I'm going to go June 18th. And I'm going to go a vertical call. And I went way the heck up here. Okay, way up here. 7, I'm going 950 and 1,000. Okay, so when I put this on, I have it on a sticky note. I collected $4.60, and right now it's at 4.15. It was just at 4.10, so I'm already up 50 bucks on this. The reason why I'm doing this trade, guys, it's way out of the money, right? The expected move in this time frame is 850. I'm $100 out of the expected move and above the one standard deviation for my short strike. It's an 18 delta. Then I'm gonna buy the 1,000 for protection. I know it's a really wide strike. It's $5,000 to make 500, but it's so far out of the money. I think it's worth the risk. So let's go pull up the chart. So the trade is a short vertical call spread, 950 and 1,000. So let's go back out to the chart and take a look at this. So if we draw some Fibonacci lines, because I always like to look at this from every angle, right? Where is this going? I'm going to go here. I'm going to high to low. So, okay, we can see the 423.6 is right at 1,000 bucks. However, the 734, this 2618 extension to the upside, right? It looks like that could be a little bit of resistance at least. I just don't see, guys. I know Nvidia reports tomorrow, Wednesday the 20th. No matter what they say, I don't see Micron shooting up to 950 or $1,000 before earnings. I don't think Nvidia is going to have that big of an impact on a stock that's nearly tripled since April 1st. So I went with that vertical. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm coughing. I went with the 950 1,000 vertical, and if I get up, I'm already up 50 bucks, I think. Let's go take a look here. I'm up $47, $47.50 right now. So if I get up to 50 to 100 bucks, I might just take it off if I can make that in a couple days. You know, very, very little risk on that. So anyway, guys, that's the trade of the day. Taking advantage of the volatility in the semiconductors. This is Luke with the Option Bomb. Again, not financial advice. Go out, chart it out yourself. See if you agree with me. Let me know in the comments if you like or if you don't like the trade and why or why not. And we'll see you in the next one.